everyone, my Boxycharm got here. It's a base box and I wanted to do an unboxing. I wanted to share with you all what I got, so let's take a look. So this little card tells me more about the products on the back and the prices. The theme for this box is Candy Shop. I got variation number 38. The first item I pull out is from Tarte. This is a setting spray, and I like that it has a really fine mist. It's different from others that I've tried. It feels really light on the skin, and it has like a little bit of a scent to it. Very tiny. It smells nice, and I can't wait to try it. It says it lasts up to 12 hours. The next product is from Murad, and I've always heard really good things about this brand. It's a hydration exfoliating cleanser. Next up from Ace Beauty, these are 2 lip liners, one in red and one in brown. Next up is a product from Sol de Janeiro, Brazilian Kiss Tinted Capuaçu Lip Butter. Here's what it looks like, and it smells really nice. It feels really nice on the lips, and it does give just a slight tint of like a brown. Next up is a palette from Pretty Vulgar. This is a face palette. Here are what the colors look like. I really do like the blush. They look really pretty, and I love that it has a mirror and it's travel friendly. Here is everything I received in this month's box. I really do like it all. Let me know what you guys got. Once again, I got variation number 38. And like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.